Dami
Ay,
pumahaw.
wala
So,
ako.
do you wanna wait for the banner, then we fight them in the castle, and just kite back to the dairy? Okay. I mean, we can still pull them towards the dairy. Yeah. Alright. Wait, I'll try to lure them. Guys, come. Come north. Nuisance, deception, saan kayo? Come north. 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 Pion is here with level 43. Comes out. Comes out. Comes out. Focus here. Comes out. Comes out. Comes out. Yeah, comes out. Comes out. Comes out. Comes out. Comes out. Yo, I'm
Moving out
playing
sila.
range, okay?
Following sila.
So,
By
Initial
the
engage
no, 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 no,
southwest
no, no. I'm
of Riverbed, northwest of
Hunting,
no, no.
Riverbed.
hunting. By the
Let's
road.
just pull them towards the Terry, bro. Just pull them towards the Terry. Come, 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 come.
Going south pa din.
Di sa akin.
Initial
nag-do this.
engage is
Hunting na, hunting
queuing
na.
in from
Yeah.
Riverbed.
Everyone come Terry, guys. Everyone come Terry.
By the road.
Yeah, there. Yo, come. Evan this month farm. Evan this month farm. Evan this farm. Come farm, come farm. This month farm.
Nawala. Nag-nerd.
Summon Scott. Nasaan sila?
Hunting. Okay. Holding lang.
Come northwest,
Careful
come
sa
northwest.
mga ano.
Come northwest.
Sa-
Battlemount step up. Battlemount step up. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest.
Holding. Ang spot na.
Saan sila? Salita, uy.
Holding.
Come northeast. Kameni, Kameni.
Going
Ready
north, going
occults.
Going north.
Ready occults, pass out ah. Pakit.
Holding dito sa...
On top. On top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But they're backing off. Come north. Right there too far.
Going south, going south, going south.
Okay, comes out, comes out, comes out. They're going now. Comes out, comes out, comes out. Evan Rio.
Dito, by the road sila southeast.
Copy. Comes out, comes out.
Going north ulit.
They're going back.
Bumabike
north
sila sa
again.
intersection.
I guess, just pull them at the Terry. Comes out,
Nasa intersection na sila. Going north pa din.
comes out, comes out, comes
Going
out.
south na ulit.
Yeah, they're going south. Comes out, comes out, come Terry. I'll play at the farm again, okay?
Going north ulit.
Oh,
Holding.
okay, okay, okay. Oh, really? Wait. Never mind. Play with you.
Umigat
Sound
sila sa
insane.
big rock.
Gay.
Going east from here.
Down pa rin naman ata sila eh, so
Going
malapit
southeast
pa rin yun, pre.
Wala tayo mamot.
Going south.
Yeah, they'll come back here for sure.
Nasa may banner na sila.
Tara, this month. Can you GA this guy? By B, no? Can you GA? Can you GA? Can you GA someone?
Malapit na
GA,
sila
anyone?
northeast ng terrace.
Comes out, comes out,
Once
comes out.
yun,
Can you
ito
GA? Can you GA north? No? Comes out, comes out. GA na to northeast. Oh. Yo, come. Look shallow northeast then kite. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kite northeast. Now, depth. Hit. Nice. Depth now. Their bomb squad already hit. Okay, come. Kite southwest. Depth now front.
Ready.
Cycle go down. Everything on the choke now. Northeast ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything northeast now. Hit northeast. Nice kill. Come back. Cool fast. Dito kayo sa may southwest. Pawatch ako ng north ko outside. One on the arcane, okay? Hold.
5 seconds.
Hold. Southwest kayo, guys. Southwest kayo. Careful. They looking depth now. Yo, fast counter. By the wall, northwest. Ready? 5, depth, 4, 3 pots now. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Kakasabi ko lang, pawatch ako ng over the wall. Oh my god.
Moving northeast sila.
What the fuck?
Kami safe.
Damage
Hindi nyo
na
makita,
ako.
di kayo napag-pots.
Malay ko.
Oh my god.
Lulusi pa ako.
Come.
Na ano sila, na
Ano ba yun?
Nahit
Ang
sila.
type.
knock sila.
Kakasabi ko lang mag-watch sa akin sa labas eh. Ready on me. The mark. Ready north 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just drop your ace on the mark. Just drop your ace on the mark. Kill this guy, guys. Kidnap ko this guy. Dalokin.
Tangina, hindi ka na. Kunat.
Careful northwest over the wall, please.
Down. 20 seconds.
Copy.
Wala ako royal jacket.
Di naka-react
Ay,
doon. Diyos ko po.
yeah.
Itang kita. Hold.
Why are you engaging from the wall, boys?
Hold. Inch up. We look
Nasa
shallow.
labas na, sa may tree.
Shallow northeast ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, shallow northeast na. Come back. Again, come back,
Hey,
please.
look. Smashing sila.
Yeah. Kanya this guy ito, northwest oh. Patayin nyo na to. Natin na to.
Southeast ang
Never mind, come southwest. Delokin. Def now.
Ready.
Yun, everything northeast shallow, ready in 5, northeast 4, 3, 2, 1, hit na shallow. Come back. Come back, Delokin. Come back.
Ay, may nakindap.
Yo, inside us oh.
Yeah.
Ngat-ngatin yung to, quiz doubles this guy.
Wala. No.
Careful west. Careful east. Def now. Hold. 3 seconds. Hold.
Ready now.
Pre, over the wall na naman. No? The looking. Pass counter northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass counter northeast now. Just hit northeast.
Good luck sa
Yeah,
lahat.
okay, come southwest. Hold.
Sa southeast side ng gate, sobrang dami nila.
Hold. Chill.
Ready.
Mount up.
CCTV in Riverbed.
Yes. Yo, CCTV sa Riverbed, bro. 39. Yeah, hold. Dismount. Yung bomb squad nila, guys,
Full
nasa...
smash sila dito sa may southeast side.
Rara.
Southeast.
Southeast. Ipitin na.
Going
Basta
going
tama.
sa gate.
Yeah, look at the choke ready in 5,
Dismounted
4,
Riverbed.
3, 2, 1, di siya lang. Come back. Ngat-ngatin yung mga yung mga battle mo. Doubles.
Ang cute ng aking damage.
Deloking, careful northwest ha. Careful northwest. Ilang seconds?
Ready.
On me, on the mark, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the mark na. Come back.
Bro, looking southeast pa rin sa bawat. Southeast.
Ang damage. I'm so cute.
Oh, kidnapin nyo to. Yo, tara. Kat-kating.
Ano nga hindi ko nag-double OC ah.
Yeah, doubles na. The mark, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the mark na ito. Hit the mark. Drop on the mark. Come back. Hold. Food na nga rin kayo. Hold. Chill.
Long cooldown. 20 more seconds.
Okay. Guys, over the wall. Stoppers, range stoppers, BMS. Careful. Yan na, over the wall, oh. Yeah, careful. Yeah, ready. Wait, dab. Ready. Pass counter northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass counter northeast now. Drop damage. Come southwest na. Kahit southwest. Chill.
Nice
Kahit southwest. Nice kill sa my northwest. Hold.
No
Rios food, please. Rios. The bomb hitting.
Long
Yo, one more.
cooldown.
Can you J them northeast?
10
Wala
more
pa.
seconds.
Sayang. Hold. Nice bomb. Hold.
Pasok kayo northeast side.
Basag na yung southeast wall.
Hold.
Isang wall.
Hold. Ready? Yo, deep northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit na.
Northeast side dito.
Come back. Come.
Dumadaan sila sa ismo ha. Ismo.
Uy, Rios food. Yeah.
Yes.
Come. Pawatch lang ako niyan, guys.
J. Sige, J.
Come southeast. Come SC.
Flooding na.
Okay, hold. 10 up.
Ready.
Yo, northwest wall, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest wall now. Hit. Come back. Come back west. Yo, watch my east, watch my north. Okay, hold.
Okay, let's go.
5 seconds.
Hold.
Ready
Inch up, careful.
Up. Inching out.
Hold, glacial. Wait, chill. Hold. Yo, look at the mark, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, look at the mark na. Kill the mark na.
Taking wailing.
Come back. Come. Taking the wailing. Come.
Nag-engage na.
Yo, cooldown pass.
5 seconds.
Hold. Pouch ako northeast ko Over the wall lang yan.
Ready.
Please lang. Hold.
EMS over
Hindi, basag na yun dito sa ano sa east mo.
Hold.
Nakakawak
Topic nga ako
sila.
northeast.
Nabasag na, dalawang wall na
Ay, wala
basag
pala
sa
sa Danera. Hold.
southeast wall.
Hold. 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 Yo, perma engage northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage northeast now. Come back, come back. Come back now. Def now, front. Def now, front. Def now, now. Def, patch. Okay, then come west.
Luging.
Come west. Come west, guys. Come west. Hello? Come west.
5 seconds.
Chill.
I see something.
Chill. Okay, hold. Careful.
Nice bomb.
Come northeast. Come north.
Bomb squad nila, yung wailing bomb squad nila na bomba.
Come north. Lakad. Come north. Yo, look shallow southeast. Wait. Southeast in 5. Southeast 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Hit. Then def now. Def. Soak it. Then kite southwest. Kite southwest. Pills on my northeast. Pillars.
4 seconds.
Hold.
Oh my god. 10 more seconds.
Hold. Kagi, ba't na kayo namamatay sa ganun, pre?
5 seconds.
Come back.
Dami na po sa
Ready now.
Yung range nyo, maximize nyo yung range nyo eh. Hold. Yo, look shallow southeast on me. Northeast 5, northeast 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Come back. Come northwest. Come northwest. Yes, stop nyo. Pillars. Yo. Wailing, hitting. Hold.
5 seconds.
Hold. Careful. Hold. Chill. Can you watch my east? No?
Southeast over the wall.
Yo, come north. Straight north tayo. Pa-J nga neto, straight north. Yo,
Engage
straight
sila,
north is
engage,
ready.
engage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now north is now. Then come back. Come back. Be fast. Kite west.
Night helmets.
Ready cleanse.
Bomb inside invis.
Yeah, careful. Toto. Not cutting you. Def now. Def. Patch.
5 seconds.
Soak it.
Ready
Hold
now.
on, inch up, east side. Northeast. On the mark, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the mark. Hit the mark. Kidnap this guy. Can you kidnap this guy? Kidnap. Hit. Come back. Nakakalirik ang puta. Yo, one more. Def.
Hold.
Oh my god, dead. Come back.
Hold. May boy. Party 2, how many?
half party lang.
8 na lang.
Everybody regroup second floor, please.
I dead, okay?
Regroup second floor, please. May DPS ba dyan sa party 2?
Wala na.
May mark ba ako sa party 2?
Yup,
Siguro
meron.
mahirap mag-queue. Parang
Ready.
sinupuntahan lahat ng CCTV yung
Ready.
French River bed.
Northeast pocket. Wala na.
Wala tayong magagawa dyan, pre.
Just on the gate kung may DPS. Just
Gugulin
on the gate.
talaga tayo.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, moment pa din. Wait lang Sakay na Q.
Iside ba ba?
Bablab tayo
DK. DK ano lang, ay ilang. DK.
Sobrang dami sa trench.
Yo, si food check.
Oh,
Yo,
DK. Mga
Food check Osi.
For those people who are alive, just hold.
level
Food
59.
check si DK now. Skip to DK now. Skip to DK now. Kung kaya mo. No. Bili IE this month. Touch na. You read this month. Bili lakaran nyo IE southwest. Lakaran nyo southwest. Ready? 5, southwest 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest now. Catch nyo
Sin
to.
sila
Sige, tara. Palagan nyo. Tara, ngat-katin nyo. Ngat. Kill nyo healer.
Sobo sila, di pa nila napapansin.
Tara. Come south.
Mounting Peony.
Mounting yung Peony.
Bring out
Come south.
yun.
Come south. Paper boots now southeast. Ready? 5, 4, 3. Tayo nyo.
Party 1, come out. Come southeast side. DK. Party 1. Come zone southeast side. DK.
Punta kay DK. Oh, ito po. Catch na to.
CCTV going in.
What?
Papasok na yung CCTV.
Saan?
Wala kaya
DK?
alit ata yung yung
Tara, Mount.
Peony.
Sa stepe.
Okay. Yo, CCTV is coming in, bro.
Party 1, Noisan, Saint Z,
Yo, Henry, where you at? You still at step?
Kajanix.
CCTV is coming in.
Peony going northwest of Steppe.
We're at DK right now, okay?
Come DK now, boys. Uy. What you waiting for?
Sino mga nasa step eh? Ilang minutes, ilang seconds yung update na cluster?
1 minute 24 seconds.
Sabayan sana mo, pre. Bumalik CCTV ah. Umalis na sa step eh. Nag-northwest ulit.
Peony flower pumunta ulit sa mid-map.
Copy. Yo, Pion is still there, bro.
Huli akong initial
Going back.
Wala akong... Makakapasok ka na siya.
Di pa.
Naan si ano? Saint Nuisance, Science, si Baduday, Deception. DK na kayo eh.
134 in queue. The fuck?
Scout na kayo dito. Ano yung blob sa menu?
Minutes na ako nakakayo, di ako makapasok.
Tong ino, hindi ko na-enjoy ito.
Si TV pala si King 44.
Sa mga katakbo. Itong radar eh.
Ay, yo.
Piony going back to the Terry.
Pioni going back to the Terry.
Ano, enter, Choro?
No, not yet, bro.
Party side ah.
Wait.
Careful, they spotted.
Kaya na ba kaya, sorry?
Yo, lahat nga ng agila lumabas ng DK. Lahat ng agila lumabas ng DK. Yo, all agila kam DK. All agila kam DK. All agila kam DK. All agila kam DK.
Naka-enter na ako. Mag-enter na ako sa stage.
All agila kam DK. All agila
Pag
kam
lumabas
DK.
ako dyan, pag lumabas ulit yung mga kakapasok lang, may ano ulit yan ha.
10 minutes cooldown.
10 minutes cooldown yan.
Pinagrios yun. Yo, all agila kam DK. Lahat, pati bomb squad, balik.
May planet
Patay
dito.
niya. Patay niya ano. Uy, what the assassin, nod?
Ba't naka-invade planet? Ano alliance niyan?
Yo, everyone come DK. Everyone come DK.
Wala na palang cluster.
Everyone come DK.
Ah, meron pa.
Second gate.
Wait, bro. We're queuing in right now.
Level 44 kami dito.
20.
Lumalaban yung IE dito.
Yo, Q no. Q. Nung san ka? Okay.
Bakit nasa volcano?
Q.
Sa may sentry.
Wala ako sa
Updating in 6 seconds yung queue. Makakapasok na kayo dyan. Sana.
Enter. 50 seconds.
Mag-walk in tong Pion. Nakabigla. Basag na yung ano? Basag na yung middle gate. Ng second floor.
Ano meron?
Kasi walang EMP yung doctor niya. What do I do? Like, sundin na lang yung item value. Okay.
20 seconds, bro. Five minutes, guys. Solve this.
Mind your positions, DPS. Don't take over.
Tara.
Prepare
Come
the
south.
gate.
Uy, come southwest, come southwest. Saan sila banda? Come southwest, come southwest. Bilisan nyo.
Middle.
Dito sila, dito sila.
Yeah, come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Dito tayo sa mesa. When you see me dismount, when you see me dismount.
May
when you see me
minute.
May ilang pumapasok ah. May ilang pumapasok.
Pwede mo nga
May
hit
same
from
sa-
southeast Zoro
Wait,
eh.
wait,
Tapos
alam
hit
ko.
from south.
Yun ang gagawin ko, come northeast. Inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up. Inch up, inch up. Ready your pads, okay?
Engage
Ready
na
your
si
pads,
Paul.
inch up, inch up, inch up. Inch
Puro
up, ready,
bounce pad to.
straight north, ready in 5,
Engaging
4,
sa'yo.
3, 2, 1, everything is na, pass, 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 pass. Hit. Wow. Sabi ko, ready your pads eh.
Pagpats ako.
Come. Kamage.
Healers, I need that po sa likod. Thank you.
Enter.
Ano yun?
Hindi nyo ba nakikita yun, pre?
Paragis na buhay, ano?
Papats lang kayo dun eh.
Ready, Zoro?
Parang nangamutin na kayo sa kite para.
Ewan ko.
Oh, def now, def front. You ready? Shallow north is ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north is na. Hit. They're looking one more. Come to the mage. Yo, dating ah.
Royal jacket sa akin ah.
Yeah. Dito kayo sa may southwest
Trade
mag-side.
na siya.
5 more
Sa akin wala tayong DPS pre. Party 1 kamote.
PC.
Careful, northwest, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now, hit, northwest. Nice hit. Pakol almost.
Kailangan mo pa may ball.
Come. Hanapin niyo ako guys, Southwest tower, 3 minutes.
5 seconds. Ready.
Okay.
Party 2, 19 people na lang.
Gigi.
Notice over the wall, oh. Yung
Hold
barrier.
down, magpupush to, mag-hit to. Hold. We just play counter.
Golem inside.
Yeah, focal looking ah. Focal looking. Def now. You're ready, north is now ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch the bomb. Hit the bomb. Then comes out.
Kami Walker Hood yun ah. So. Yeah, may-
Hanapin niyo ako. One more. Def now. Hold. Kill.
Patay
2
sila na
minutes. 2 minutes.
5 seconds.
2 minutes.
Ready.
looking na.
Focal looking. Careful ah. We play counter ah.
Master na yan. Northwest.
Pakol northwest.
Hold.
East side. sobrang
Yan,
tao.
yan na yung timer nyo sa
Yeah,
ulo.
chill. Comes out muna. Comes out. Yo, ready. Deep northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Come back. Ready your pads ah. Hold. Come tower. Mag-hit to ng deep. Careful kayo ah.
Mage nasa
Careful,
may west side.
looking yan. Def
Engaging.
north.
Stay nyo.
Def east. Then come north. They look north. So quit your everything northwest now ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now shallow. Northwest shallow. Just drop east northwest. Spread kayo sa akin sa may south. Comes out guys.
10 more side.
Comes out. Yo, bombs ko dating from southeast. Yo, turn up. Come southeast. Everything south now. Ready. Southeast in 5, south 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop south now. Drop na south. Just drop your damage. Yo, they hitting one more. Hold. Careful. They look. Dep. Hold. One more. Hold. Come tower. Spread on the tower, guys.
1 minute.
Spread on tower. Chill. Come tower. Ilan seconds to? Come tower. I'll die for the Terry, bro. Come tower.
22 seconds.
Yeah, everything on Pakol now. Ready. 5, 4,
Segundo na lang
3, 2, 1. Hit Pakol na.
EM careful na.
All BMs out.
Nice.
The Q fucked us. Oh my god. Out na kayo.
Ang
Lumalabas kayo. Yung mga bomb squad ko, lalabas kayo ng mapa par.
I think I'll die here. Really? I died.
Yung Zerg, nagkukuyo
Yeah,
yung bomb squad,
wait.
naglalaro. Ang
May
puto.
dala kang loot?
Yeah. Nag-spread na sila sa Cycle BMS then Garton Arm.
Saan ka namatay?
May
Wala
tabi ng
talaga
tent.
may tutulong dun sa pag stop ng pagbabash.